Hi there. In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can create a dashboard in ClickUp. And by the way, dashboards let you track tasks, projects, and KPIs visually in one place. So first, you will open your ClickUp, and once you're here, you should see the dashboard section. So make sure that you do have the full version um of your ClickUp so that you will be able to see this option. So once you see that option, what you will do is you will click dashboards, then you will click new dashboard. And then you will have to enter your dashboard name, and once you enter it, you will select workspace and then you will click create dashboard. Then you will click add widget and you will choose from charts, lists, or custom widgets. And then you will configure widget data by selecting spaces, lists, or filters. Click Save Widget and then you will repeat to add more. And by the way, tip is you will use filters to focus on specific projects or team members. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.